Now let's continue with the media tab. I'm going to the image. I have two. Maybe this one is a bit better. How about I delete this one? Okay, yeah, this is good. We can rename this to let me see, we are looking from south view, so this is gonna be south to north. South to north, okay. Now if you hover your mouse around here, you already noticed that 3 dots over there that you can rename, delete, or duplicate the image. There's also something called as more. There are a lot of things under more. Okay, so image, more. You can also switch back and forth between the tabs from here. So media, image, okay, you can go back, then forth, and more. Location, you can assign location. The location is somehow gonna change how the shadows work and everything. You can assign some rough locations, or you can be really precise. So I set this on Toronto. You can select somewhere else. You can change the daytime. You can see how it's gonna look like. Let's say maybe it's like the end of the day here. Let's see how it works. Okay, you can change the month. It's on July. You can change the background here. Notice that the background shows the picture of a city. You can change it to a town. You can change it to a bay or something. Also, you can change the rotation so you have the best background over there. Okay, seems okay. You can go back through here and through here. We took care of the location. Notice that the time of the day and the time of the year is also set here under the location tab. Now we can move to weather. It said it's July, so it doesn't really make sense to be too cold or something, but you can make it look kind of rainy from here. Also, you can change the season here, right? It's July, so we cannot have like snow here, probably, hopefully not, but let's have it a little bit rainy maybe. How about I change this to something like this? It's a bit dark, but I'm gonna take care of it. Okay. Notice that we again have the growth option here as well. Okay. We can go back. You can take care of the lighting. Okay. You can change the exposure, so it's gonna be a bit lighter. You remember exposure, we talked about it in Revit and in the rendering cloud. You can change the white balance or something to make it look a bit colder, such as this, or a bit warm, such as this. If you want to print the image later, make sure to make it a little bit colder, such as this one, because when you print something, it's going to have more red colors. Okay, so that's something to have in mind. You can change the shadows or something. Okay, you can even work with the format here. This is on Full HD. I can put it on 4K HD to have a better resolution, or you can go with custom or something. You need to kind of consider the ability of your device as well. You can change the dimension of the picture. You can also work with the camera options. You can change the field of view here. You can change kind of how dark the edges are. If you do it like this, it's gonna look like those old negative frames. And when you're ready, you can go to the very last item, export, select that image and export it. I'm gonna select the folder. You cannot assign the name, you can just select the folder. It's gonna automatically name the picture. You can see that the images are here. It's gonna keep your old images. It's not gonna overwrite or anything, so don't worry about that. This is the old image and this is the new one. You can see how some effects in a few minutes change the view from something like this to something like this.